Get ready to embark on a journey that will redefine your student life. Welcome to Pennell Street LN5 in Lincoln, a stylish student accommodation that will redefine your university experience. Nestled in the highly sought-after Pennell Street, this property offers a beautifully refurbished 6-bedroom student house, meticulously designed to cater to your every need. Each room comes complete with premium furnishing, a bed, spacious wardrobe, dedicated study station, a 32-inch flat-screen smart TV, a luxury hotel-style in-unit bathroom, and classy decor throughout. But what truly sets this accommodation apart is the exclusive amenities, including a spacious living area with a 50-inch smart TV, and the extended integrated kitchen with sleek dining area is a chef's dream, complete with a stove, oven, and large fridges. Step outside, and you're just a 4-minute drive from the University of Lincoln. And when you're ready to take a break from your studies, savor mouth-watering dishes at local restaurants like the Phoenix Cantonese restaurant or celebrate your achievements with friends at KFC. Plus, with the nearby Lincoln University tram stop, getting around the neighborhood is a breeze. Your extraordinary student life at Pennell Street LN5 is just a click away. Visit amberstudent.com and turn your dreams stay into a vibrant reality today.